Hello, good afternoon. We are the Group 6 presenters. The members are yours truly, Michelle Angelo Omo, Miss Kizza Resma, and Miss Vhalene Joy Nietes. Today, we will presenting a learning materials for speaking skills. By the way, what is speaking skills? Speaking skills occupy a curious position in contemporary ELT. The importance of speaking skills appears obvious. The global spread of English along with improved communication systems provides economic, political, academic, and social reasons for learning to speak English. Since we are still in the middle of the pandemic and learning through an online class, we use PowerPoint presentation, visual aids, and written outputs as our learning materials. Our chosen topic is using appropriate features of speech when delivering lines. But before we dive to our discussions, these are our objectives. First, students will be able to distinguish between stress, volume, pitch, and intonation. Second, observe correct pitch levels when reading lines of sample sentences. And lastly, use appropriate prosodic features like pitch, stress, intonation, and volume.
Let's define some terms. Volume is used to express emotions as well as the loudness or softness of sounds. Pitch is the degree to which a tone is high or low. Intonations are changes in spoken pitch that are used to convey emotions and emphasize a point. Stress is the amount of power used to pronounce a syllable or a word. So this time, read these sentences with me. Grandma bought bananas, pineapple, apple, and strawberries. Sheila has 2 pencils, a black pen, and some ink. We went to Manglanelia, Carmen, Sugod, and Bugu City. My sisters saw John, Jean, Jane, and June. Have you noticed how the stress, volume, pitch, and intonation become as one of these examples? Now read it again and again to practice the different prosodic features.
In this moment, we will provide an activity that will assess the learnings of the student about the said topic. I have here an activity sheets, and this will serve as a written task of the students to evaluate the learnings about the said topic. Here it is. Let's try to answer this activity and choose the correct prosodic feature. So number 1, Steffi Aberstory joined the beauty contest this year. The barangay officials contest the results of the SK election. Can you escort my mother in the office? Navarez is the escort in our class. Hans and Kay reject my advice. After the activity, students were able to understand deeper about the pitch, intonation, volume, and stress. Materials for speaking skills are crucial in different aspects. On the other hand, reading helps learners build up better grammar skills. Learners develop reading skills, they develop more sophisticated speaking skills.